Hi, I'm Katie, and today we are making sheet pan shrimp and sausage dinner. Let's start off by making the herb mix. So this is a seasoning mix that will go over the vegetables and the shrimp and sausage. It has 2 teaspoons of ground sage, 3/4 teaspoon of dry thyme, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to mix that together. Next, I'm going to cut up the veggies. So we start out with 2 stalks of celery. I'm just going to slice it. I'm going to put this into a bowl. Has 1 red onion, I have 2 bell peppers. I have a yellow and a red, but you can use any color you like. And lastly, I have some fingerling potatoes. You can use regular red potatoes if you prefer. So I'm just going to sprinkle half of my seasoning mix over the vegetables. And then I have 4 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to toss that together. I'm going to spread this out on my sheet pan. Now I'm going to put this into the oven for about 25 minutes. While that's in the oven, I am going to put together the rest of the ingredients. So I use chicken sausage. This is an Andouille chicken sausage. If you can't find that, you can use a hot Italian chicken sausage, or you could just use regular Andouille sausage. I'm going to put this into my bowl. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp and the rest of my seasoning mix, and 2 more teaspoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add my shrimp and sausage to the sheet pan. I'm going to pop this back in the oven for about 8 minutes. So I'm just going to top it off with a little celery leaves, and I'm going to serve it with some Tabasco sauce.